It's important to call out when you're using Claude Code to write your code that you believe ultimately that you're responsible for the code. And that's what when you're communicating with this AI, with any of the AIs that are generating code for you, you are responsible for the code that's generated by the AI. Ultimately, the responsibility of that code that's going into the PR, the pull requests, the changes that you're making to the code base it's with your name. Even though the AI wrote it for you, you're responsible for it. So you have to read the code, ensure it's well tested, have follow-up prompts, things like that. So the best you can do when you're doing generative coding is to ensure that the quality is there. Therefore, especially in any professional context, I manually review all AI written code and test cases. That makes sense. You got to read the code that it prints. Also, someone needs to be familiar with the code base because you need to jump back and make changes to it. Yeah, the AI can do it for you, and most of the time it can, but you can do a lot better working with the AI if you know the code base well. So Chris will add tests for anything that he thinks is missing or needs improvement. That's actually a cool idea. That's actually a really cool idea. So if there's a problem with the code base or you think there's a feature missing, you can just write the code and then ask the AI to fill in the features for you, either manually or by asking the LLM to write the cases. So you don't even have to write the cases. You can just say, hey Claude, write this specific test case for me, run it, see that it fails, and then make it pass by updating the code. That's actually a really cool TDD. At the end of the day, manual review is necessary to verify the behavior is implemented correctly and tested properly. Yeah, I say yes. So here's the end of it. This is the last segment of the video, and we will be looking at this personal global agent guide in the Claude MD file.